The next verb we are going to learn is venir. Venir means to come. So this is the conjugation for the verb venir in the present tense. Je viens, V-I-E-N-S. Je viens, I come. Tu viens, you come. Il vient, he comes. Elle vient, she comes. Nous venons, we come. Vous venez, you come. Il vient, they come. Elle vient, they come. So once again, say the conjugation along with me. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, il vient, elle vient. So this is how you conjugate this verb. It is different from the ER verbs, but this is also one of the verbs we use commonly. For example, if you want to say, I come from India. Je viens from India. Je viens India. So this is how we conjugate this verb. So shall we move on to the next verb? The previous verb we learnt was venir. Venir means to come. So the next word is aller. Aller means to go. Notice that this verb ends in ER, but it is not an ER verb. Aller means to go. So this is how we conjugate this verb. Je vais. Je vais. I go. Tu vas. You go. Il va. He goes. Elle va. She goes. Nous allons. We go. Vous allez. You go. Ils vont. They go. Elles vont. They go. So once again, say the conjugation along with me. Je vais. Je vais. I go. Tu vas. You go. Il va. He goes. Elle va. She goes. Nous allons. We go. Vous allez. You go. Ils vont. They go. Elles vont. They go. Now we can try to form some simple sentences. For example, if you want to say, I go to the cinema. So how would you say? Je vais, I go au cinéma. So I go to the cinema. So this is a simple sentence which has just the subject, the verb and an object. Je vais au cinéma. I go to the cinema. So now we have learnt 3 verbs. So we can use these in simple sentences.